If you really want to learn past tense, then the very first thing that I want to clear to you that you should have the knowledge of three forms of verb. कौन सी form of verb हमको लगानी है past tense में, कौन सी हमको third form में लगानी है, this should be clear to you. Then only you will be able to learn more about tenses. Hello everyone, welcome to my CBSE English world. I have brought past tense for you. So let's clear it. As present tense, past tense is also divided into four parts. But when we have to use past tense, we use past tense when we are talking about the past. जो past में हो चुका है वहाँ पर हम past tense लगाते हैं. Now, first of all, simple past. Okay, so let's talk about simple past. In simple past, we will use the second form of the verb. Now, when we have to use simple past, first is when a definite time is intended. जहाँ पर एक definite time जो है वो intend करा गया हुआ है कि ये चीज़ तब हुई थी. Means I lost my pen yesterday. I know very well that when I lost my pen yesterday, and lost is the verb. कल हुआ था तो हम उसको lose का lost लिखेंगे. Then a common mistake is to use the past continuous for repeated or habitual actions in the past. एक common mistake जो है बच्चे करते हैं वो क्या करते हैं कि वो past continuous tense जो है वो लगा देते हैं जो repeated या habitual actions हैं जो past में हुए थे. Like I am giving you the example. Last year we went to the cinema every Sunday. Went is the correct form of the go. Go जो है वो first form है और उसका second form होता है went. Last year we went to the cinema every Sunday. Now it is every Sunday, but we are also talking about last year. So we will use here simple past. We will not use past continuous. Second, she frequently borrowed books from the library. Means she is in habit of borrowing books from the library. So we will write here borrowed. जो हमारे repeated या habitual actions होते हैं past में उसके लिए हम simple past tense लगाते हैं. Then next is past continuous. First one, to indicate an action going on when another one took place. Means कि एक action जब continuation में हो रहा है और उसके साथ में दूसरा action जो है वो हुआ है. Like he was reading a newspaper when I entered the room. दो action है यहाँ पे. He was reading a newspaper और दूसरा है when I entered the room. तो दोनों जो है वो आपस में कनेक्टेड हैं और एक जो है वो हो रहा था और एक जो है हुआ है. सो ही वॉज रीडिंग अ न्यूज़पेपर. वॉज रीडिंग जो है वो वर्ब है. आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो व्हेन द फोन रैंग. जब फ़ोन की घंटी बजी देन आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू द रेडियो. तो देयरफॉर वॉज लिसनिंग इज द वर्ब. तो ऐसे केसेस में हम जो है एक एक्शन जब होता है और उसके साथ साथ दूसरा एक्शन हो रहा है तब हम इसमें पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस लगाते हैं. सेकेंड, व्हेन अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इज गिवन for the action which was done. Like I was listening to the radio at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock बजे जो है वो 8 बजे मैं रेडियो सुन रहा था. तो एक point of time दिया हुआ है. Then we will use past continuous. Now the third one, to emphasize that two actions were taking place at the same time. जब एक ही समय पे दो actions हो रहे हो. Like Mohan was reading while Ankita was writing. Was reading, was writing दोनों जो हैं वो past tense, past continuous tense में है आपके. Next, to emphasize that an activity was continuously done over a certain period. Means कुछ समय के लिए वो activity जो है वो continuously हुई हो. Like I was working hard all last week. I was working hard all last week. So therefore was working is the verb and we have to use past continuous here. Now the most important part is past perfect. Now this tense I am explaining you in a very simple way. Please listen it very carefully. This tense is best understood if it is called the before tense. When we wish to indicate that an event happened before another event in the past, we use the past perfect. Means कि एक event होने से पहले दूसरा event पहले ही हो चुका हो. इन केसेस में हम पास्ट परफेक्ट ही यूज़ करते हैं. Now look at the following example. The lesson had begun when we arrived. Okay, now it is clear that the order of events are as the beginning of the lesson, our arrival. There are two events given, the beginning of the lesson, our arrival. Now the lesson had begun when we arrived. So there are two events and the first one had already occurred before the second one. So this thing you have to clear in mind before, that one action had already been done before the other started. Therefore in this case we will use past perfect tense. Second case, the past perfect is used with a point of time in the past to show the event occurred. Means a certain point of time is given in the past which shows that the event had occurred. Like by 2 o'clock he had read most of the novel. मीन्स कि 2 बजे तक जो है वो उसने काफ़ी जो है वो नॉवल पढ़ ली थी. सो एन इवेंट ऑफ अ सर्टेन पॉइंट इज गिवन बाय 2 o'clock. Now see the second example. In 1968, he had been employed as a clerk for 10 years. मीन्स कि उसको जो है वो 1968 में जो है वो क्लर्क की पोस्ट पर वो आया था और 10 ईयर्स तक रहा था. तो कब हुआ था? 1968 में ही जो है वो उसको क्लर्क की पोस्ट मिली थी और 10 ईयर्स के लिए मिली थी. तो व्हेन अ सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इज गिवन इन द पास्ट, देन यू हैव टू यूज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. नाउ वी कम टू द लास्ट वन, द पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. When an event happened before another event in the past and that the event was continuous, means जो एक event हो चुका है वो कुछ समय के लिए जो है वो चला हो, before the another one took place. तो इस केसेस में हम past perfect continuous जो है यूज़ करेंगे. Example, we had been waiting for half an hour when the other team arrived. मीन्स कि हाफ एन आवर हमने वेट करते रहे हम जब तक कि अदर टीम अराइव्ड नहीं हो गई. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पास्ट टेंस. इफ यू विल गो थ्रू द वीडियो once again, I am sure that you will clear your concept in past tense. I will soon upload my video on future tense, so go through it. Thank you.